Great progress so far. This is part 2 of ranking functions. In this lesson, we will learn about rank and dense rank. Let's do a quick recap of the basic concept. So, statistical function help us to identify the distribution or rank of a column, right, across the rows that we have within the column. So, based on the sequence of values within the row, it is used to assign the rank to these. Now, let me introduce you to some more functions. Rank and dense rank. Both of these ranking methods are used to assign ranking to the records within the partition. However, they are different from row number in terms of handling ties. With row number, it assigns different value to each of the row, even in case of a tie, right? But in case of rank, it assigns equal rank to the ties and will skip that many ranks while ranking the following subsequent row. And dense rank also, it assigns equal rank to the ties, but the difference is it will not skip any ranking after the ties. We will look at an example to understand it better. Let's try an example problem using our supermarket sales table. You are already familiar with this table. I've copied over a small subset of data here. So what we need to do is we need to rank the products in sports and travel department depending on their associated customer rating. So we have to define the rank based on rating column. And for your ease, I have modified the data or the question to showcase only invoice ID, product line, and customer rating columns. Also for simplicity, I filtered it where product line is equal to sports and travel and it is ordered by customer rating. Can you figure out the respective ranks after performing a rank and dense rank function? Try to pause it and see if you are able to figure it out. Alright, so here is the output. With respect to rank function, we found that it gives the same rank whenever there is a tie, right? And then it skips the rank and give the expected rank to the subsequent row. For example, now imagine if we would have done this using row number. So it would have assigned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this rank. But because it's a rank function, whenever there is a tie, there was a tie for this. 4.1 was assigned rank 2. In the third row, against 4.1k. So it assigned the same previous rank to all the rows wherever there is a clash, but it skipped the rank in between. And the expected rank of this row is coming out to be 6, right? Which would have been the case if we would have used row number, right? So it has skipped all the rank in between and just assigned it the rank that would have been expected with the row number. Now in case of dense rank, it does not skip any rank. For example, it again gives same rank 2 for each of the rows where customer rating is 4 point. But in the row after that, where we have a different customer rating of 4.2, it assigns the next immediate rank, which is 3, right? So the difference is rank function is skipping the rank, but the dense rank function is not. Now let's understand this with the code on the Metabase. So we will be using supermarket sales, supermarket underscore sales. Let's have a look at the data set once. Select star from supermarket underscore sales. Alright, we have a lot of columns, but what we are concerned of is we want to look at invoice ID and product line and customer rating. This product line and then have customer rating, right? So I want to look at rank. Okay, so we want to look at rank and dense rank. So I'll select the required column, which is invoice underscore ID, product line. Let's write it down, product line, and then customer rating. So customer underscore rating. For these functions, we don't need to provide any column name within the function. I'll partition it by product line. Product underscore line we will order it by customer rating. Right? By default, it is ascending. So let's call it as product. Similarly, I can apply dense rank over partition by. Again, I can just pick this. Partition by and order by. And we call it as dense rank. And we will read the data from a table which is supermarket and sales. And we want to pick only one product line, which is sports and travel. Travel. Why do you want to pick this thing? Alright, now let's run this. Okay, now we can see, for example, for sports and travel, I have sorted it on customer rating. For rank, we get 2, 2 and 2. And then, it is the 6th row, so it gets the 6th rank. After this, there is a tie at 4.2. That's why both the rows have 6 rank. Again, wherever there is a tie, it will be 6. And after this, it will skip the ranks in between and it will follow whatever rank it would have got in an ideal scenario where there would have not been any clash, right? So it gets 11 here. And if you compare it with the dense rank, so there is no skipping of rank. Instead of 1 gets rank of 4. So now let's summarize what we learned in this session. We looked at rank, which is used to assign rank the record within the partition. Now it assigns equal rank to ties and will skip that many ranks while ranking subsequent records, right? And then there is dense rank, which is used to assign again rank to the records within a partition. Now it also assign equal rank to ties, but it will not skip any ranking after the ties. Fantastic. So this concludes the lesson as well as the module 4. Now I'll see you